2023 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include 4-wheel drive, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, power outlet, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, auxiliary input, stability control. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.